aweho sembia chese ababeto me pono so ene say ya brante bia watro ni nsem say I spent 10 years in prison for killing my wife. After coming out, I found out she was alive. Asema chese papa edibetu ejenie nani nsem encheche mu no okoso eka say, hello my good people, I am currently in a situation of life and death, as a latter might either happen to me or someone else in the next couple of days. As you read further, kindly save my soul by stating your earnest views in the comment section so that I may read and find solace. In 2009, I was arrested and detained for killing my wife, who I had married for 8 months. After she slammed and died when I pushed her to the floor during a subtle clash we had in our living room, after I saw some immoral chats she had with her university boyfriend back in school. I escaped death by hanging as I was sentenced to 10 years in prison by a court in Abuja. Every single second in the cell, I cried woefully and regretted the actions I took that led to the whole scenario. I was, however, paying the price. Few weeks ago, I was set free after serving my term in jail, and I went to lodge with some of my friends at Ikoyi, Lagos, who had before then been telling me that rumor had been spreading that my dead wife was alive and living with another man somewhere in this same city, Lagos. I couldn't believe it until I and my friend did some investigations. Then we traced her to Ipaja, Lagos, where I saw my allegedly dead wife happy and smiling with another man in a moving car entering a compound. I do not know how this is possible, and I honestly do not care. Some say her parents might be involved in the situation as they didn't in the beginning want me to marry her. Adofo asemwe ena say yen papa no ede ababetuja na me nkwa mintimi embobo ensemwe huntimi ni menua baba koso no a na ma owusuwa ba be pensem ensem no so ahye na gen ede afa papa ensema odi ababetuja ho. Adofo jeme na me twa me husema me ba ya to aso. Adofo kame ho na yema yenua ba na ma owusu a akwaba na ma akwaba
ejo so efia nshoma
bibia boko
na me adome da so tenkwemu nti bibia boko mafa
yeda nyame ase na asemi ya chese wutie ye edien adwenkyere na wo edi efa asemi ho
efia yedi kai mama ncha otiefo no wahwefo ni anyame enhwom se dan dom support channel yi na ebiem nso no me fast da my directors no ndwumafo wo mo ebo ama video ya ye kama na be ka kosi se hwe abrabo we mwe. It can never be fair. You see a freedom and justice. You see freedom emra. Anything emra wo say obenya freedom, obenya justice. Ama about justice. Sometimes emra no crampo etimi enfrage on justice. The inter mechanics are the same. Abranti obi bisa say fine obro ne yire because on all this guy also on the nya encounter obro ne yire. Fine, born wa from violence. And we say emra no betwe na so e was akwan no so. Enti se emra no so na twe na so so a ensem no hwehwe mo ye kosi hinfa. Die nyina so no mo gina so e de eche no no mo sa e de ne court e sentence so mo say emra na wo. But e ko wie chire no nipa kro ya sabe hu say nipa na de de mi ko gina court no for no say meku me yire no. Nipa no da so atiase. Enti na ita so twe no what was it for? Say bro no violent act ne take place one tina ye de train aso ana say onu dream say oku ne yire enu nti ye go on judge no onu so G2 mo do ko share jail for 10 years no enti en ye de no ko to prison wo say adwena imienu woni say but ni niam no justice say ye de na ko share jail because I always stand against a member who abuse emba. It's never proper no matter the reason. And yet say obi be member kwa no matter how it comes abuse and yet But ni niemu no say ye china so a ono so nipa ono so on the right. It should be checked say yeah gene right be feeling same say wakoye boni na say yeah charging for boni awai no yeah nko infringe on the right for kwan bi so because ade we so mu do mu so ye nhwemu an ko mu say oba no wengu e tell say judge ni a wo judge asem no enyina so be no de judge na say investigation de ba na emu ha ye say ya bro ba ekunu so oba ne da so ti ase ento no so ka so de nsem ko court ono so make statement say ya chino ede na tum se wokun obi na wonku nipa nda so ti ase anti ono so de ne be abafa ne bet infi no ko she peace e bet so e be compensate na so oba no se de makotije won say onum kakra no emra ne di for onum kakra ba ne nie mu me yensa enhwe no sa afa oba no fine ukuru aye obone wabo emra ne sa so ni ya che no wenwu all this while where was she questions were I need to one come forth the ain't no shema ye de kunu tu mu unjustly say we kunu but on kunu or that's what I say and why did ono so I didn't know so judgment to me that's what I say no sako wari obema foforo na wari o wari no on deserve I say in some people question people if we talk say ye share that stage bibi te there obro mu na ukumi but ni ye pekwa ye yiwe ho nti na say ye betray no in a way one way or the other be man ye betray because obi enu obe fi prison ba na boni e de to so akoye no o ba beto say boni no crap no ye everybody will feel betrayed okay na to the extent say wa we jere o wo yire ya wo na kan tem say papa mu oboni mu woni ni nyanka kasa bro no ma say bro ni ntini wo feel say we kunu unim se we kunu so wenhu ono so ma abonte so oba no so chimodin oba no so ni chimodin and the two wrongs will never make a right okay. Two wrongs cannot make a right nti ba ko fom ya yesi obi fom kuma ye mfom nya and so ono no fom me ya and okay mo twe na so but mo twe na so to what extent say mo man feel guilty or so we person ya no osu guilty wo say obi wo kwampa ka say mo ntimi nyina no kwa de akukuro no nya no de tena say obi wo akra ko beku no praise na obetu no ho ajeje mu kwapa hwo unu kwampa obe atantan de ontimi get it back on track that we kwado onya da for form supporting no buy so ni mu obi wo fi prison back because of guilt now ontimi forgiving no to oba kwampa nyama tantan de e no de no ho shame but boni ni kwampa no wendi and to never be say no yen check it. This goes for a police for no CID for no yen some shame do kwache no first because e ba ni say we kumu bi a che wa anhwa na ye jam so ni kama for ye jam mu ayedin ye che wo two cells a ye do fi cells ye do court ye do akọ remand ye do akọ to police station ye do to jail ye ma okwan kra ma hon kotena fie biem enti oni pekum ni sa process na fa e wo ye bibi man mu aje wo lie abi obetimi akasa e de ama na woni sa de na say all that one no nti not so ba no so de o ye hwemu nti wenhu oba ne da wan ko fie an ko yeso ba ne peja no ana much be ne de no ko ye death statement we he wan ye sa hono nya hwemu an fa nti presentation be ne de ba court won ma ye di na so eye court no de sentence no na sentence bi sa na bebre woni patim ti bi se no ye check ye nye 20 wo mo bia no abante iso betimi a ono so entu anamo obenya atentine bi e wonafa kakra metimi aka fa nsem no
me da say na abrante no ni kasa ye mu no so no wosan e kan biom se han efiti asere kwa na kwakọ ware oba na asa oba ne busuafo no mo achichichi mo hu ba ko mienu bi na mo mpese nko be ware oba no enti no wonsusu se bia oba no ni busuafo no oba ne busuafo no for me na mo plani bibi se ye nye se ni emfa hye be man se ne be ya wo betimi ade wo akofa bema wakoma wo mi so peso wo fa no ana
asema okay kwampo me nwanwa oba na busuafo mpe a won na push ma ware ne ba so oba na so openti no push se wo busuafo mpe na ware na timi aba so na se wo na wo pe na wo busuafo mpe enti na ware because enti mi man se wo busuafo mpe na be ma ne be shell se ware me by force I wo busuafo mpe ne so it can't be done enti na wo na wo pene so wo na wakoma wo mu na wo ma akwan ti wo aka chem se wakoma wo mu no ya makwan ni awale wi ya de na wo busuafo ebem enti mi fe sobone mo busia da oba na no we nipa bonifo enti mo sum itimo suma onu atra wade mu osa twa no ho de ni kuru no koma na tanfo se wo mu nsen no nti oba no onsuro so oba na pa me ma ne nje ni ntomu se osa ne tena ware mu da oba we betime kum betime ku easy otimi do ko tum se wewu so no otiase obetime ku easy mama
enti osusu se ade ato papa obetime anya emotional trauma bia na se ebema sesi an ontimi enware oba bia biom.
Emotional trauma ndi obenya sister enye easy but won say obi ana na level of nyamo betima take it in obi ba abenya emotional trauma but obetima gina trauma no so e dia pay attention na dia ma no so na make kan say obetimi da ko case ama mo ho nsem no nya say investigation na mo twa atro nya ma e dey 2 more on that count no etimi acheche omo na I say why free why certain obetima move on with the life no worry obi for no obi for but obi wo ha asem went to onni echire o menu nti be ma na tiny pa on penipo we can put me afredu kunu because on to me insusu nwin say nipa say asumesi a oso odro me pan wait me atena se ahwama boni se ato me and say won no ginani obi want me to wait me ekunu ho nti e depend on nipa no the obetimi ne su the otimi accept on ababom any going forward obetimi aye afa ensem no ehun the make afa